today's video, I'm sharing with you a collection of some of the best AI tools to help you enhance your productivity. And for practical reasons, I divided these tools into 5 major categories. These are transcription tools, video editing tools, AI chatbots, note takers, image generation tools, and AI presentation tools. Well, let's start with AI transcription tools. These are tools that will help you generate automatic transcriptions of your audio notes. There are a lot of audio transcription tools, and 2 of my favorite that I have been using for some time now are Otter and Rev. Otter helps you record, write notes, capture slides, and also generate summaries from your audio notes. This is a perfect tool for interactive classroom sessions. The second one is Rev. Rev actually offers a quick and precise transcriptions and also offers a powerful editor to help you customize your transcripts the way you want. With Rev, you can easily add highlights and corrections to your transcriptions and edit them the way you want. The second category is video editing. I included this category here because for us teachers and educators, we know the importance of creating video content, and AI now can help you create some amazing video footage without the need for technical knowledge. Keep in mind that I'm not talking here about video generation because AI up to this point is not yet capable of generating quality videos. So 2 of my favorite video editors that provide a wide collection of features that are AI powered are CapCut and Adobe Premiere. CapCut is my personal favorite. It's user-friendly and very easy to use. And in fact, you can just go to YouTube and write CapCut tutorials and you will have tons of video tutorials to help you learn the ins and outs of CapCut. And for those of you who need access to sophisticated editor, Adobe Premiere Pro is really unbeatable. With access to features like auto-generated transcripts and background noise removal, Adobe Premiere is really a powerhouse. Next in my productivity tools are AI chatbots, and more specifically I talk about ChatGPT and Claude. These are 2 of the best AI chatbots out there. As teachers and educators, we can use these AI chatbots for many things, including handling administrative tasks, generating feedback on students' assignments, creating lesson plans, and many more. I like to use Claude especially for academic and extensive writing projects, and ChatGPT for everyday tasks. So next up are AI note takers. These are tools that will help you take your note-taking experience to the next level. In this category, one tool I highly recommend to teachers is called Fireflies. With Fireflies, you can easily capture and transcribe meetings across platforms like Google Meet, Zoom, and Microsoft Teams. So next are AI image generation tools. With these tools, you can easily generate some stunning visuals to use in your teaching. 2 tools I highly recommend in this category. These are DALL-E and Midjourney. Both of them can do the same. Simply type in your prompt or upload an image and let the bot generate an image for you.